up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, how's it going? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, thanks for asking. Today in my video I'm gonna be doing a DIY. I just feel like it. I need something for my video. For my channel, I guess. I don't know. So I went to Michael's today. I didn't get to record the things that I bought, but I will show you what you will need. What I got at Michael's was this cute family sign rope. I don't know if I'm gonna need it. I'm kind of like debating on it. Clothespins, but I got it in the color black. You know, gotta match my soul. Darkness. Black paint. It also works on wood. Paint sponges. Got this big board that I'm gonna be doing, so I'm excited how it's gonna turn out. I don't know how exactly it's gonna turn out, but I hope it goes out the way I want it. Glue stick and a glue gun, just in case. Let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna let it sit and dry until it's done. It doesn't even match with this at all. So I think the string is a bit too thick, so I'm gonna do is unravel them like so. And it looks a lot better when it's small. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna do that now. So I did it off camera. There was 3 and 1, so I'm thinking I'm gonna just use these 3. I haven't decided if I want it like that or maybe in the corner. So I think I'm gonna put it in the corner right here because I find it really cute there. So that is what I'm gonna do, is glue it. Pretty much the last step is taking your pins and literally photos that you guys have and just pin it on there, and that is what I'm gonna do. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button in the face. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure you hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And I will see you guys next time. Peace!